ayike mawufuna ukuvuka ngengoma enjalo ufuna ukuvuka nje ngengoma ngegqumo ngama yamazi uxolo lapha ngegqumo uxolo lapha again mawufuna nje ukuvuka ngegqumo. Well, of course uyathi nje ngibona ngomgqibelo into ofanele uyenze ukuthi njena uvuke ungene ku social media yakho Facebook lapha yana uthi i-production page ulike i-page usilinde singene live mase si live izingoma ozobuyithola izingoma ozobuyithola ke lezo ke lana ku extension point. That's the kind of songs that we play la ku extension point. Well, isikhathi sithi manje lana 11 minutes past 8 ekuseni emlaleni ukhumbula ukuthi maligamanxa lelo hora uzobuya lapha na usigananda nemanqampo bese kuthi ngo 9 o'clock mase senibombeni ihora abuye futhi neziphelele izindaba. Ngibonela ku social media, I think it was last week mangabe angenzi iphutha when it comes to the world of sports lapha yana ukuthi the sad news is that South Africa sizoba ne team nje eyodwa kuphela ezoba participate lapha ku CAF Champions League quarter finals, and hoping they can go all the way. This happened after the Pirates ifike yahluleka ukuthi qualify lapha ungena lapha kuma quarter finals lapha of CAF Champions League lapha. Well, Mamelodi Sundowns ke yona continued ukudominate when it comes to African football lapha. Siyazi ukuthi qualify as number 1 group yayo, and it's now going to be playing quarter final. I'm still gonna look online ngibheka ukuthi bazodlala nobani quarter final. We hope ukuthi Sundowns nje izokwenza kahle. Whether umlandeli weChiefs wePirates or wani asupporting Mamelodi Sundowns, because not only are they doing this for themselves, but they're doing this for the entire football career, football history in South Africa. Well, the sad news again in social media when it comes to sports is the passing of the legendary goalkeeper lapha Arthur Batman. Arthur Batman is siyamazi ukuthi ungomunye wabadlali impela abayibekile into ebandla when it comes to sports South Africa. Bana wadlalela amaqembu afana njengoKaizer Chiefs, iSuper Sports lapha yana number 1 goalkeeper wabo waphuma lapha wasehamba yoba ugoalkeeper coach lapha yana. Siyazi ukuthi kwi-Super Sports ubilo goalkeeper coach, kwi-Maritzburg United wabo goalkeeper coach, now kwi-Kaizer Chiefs wawi goalkeeper coach. On behalf of Arthur Batman's family and friends and all of his colleagues, on behalf lana we extension point and the Goovy Preferred shows condolences to you guys, and may God keep you in his heart during the sad time in your life. Ahambe kahle Arthur Batman lapha yana sibona izinto eziphazenzakale lapha in the world of sports lapha yana. Kodwa ke this is not a sports show lena ke laleli asingalokho sikhuluma sinokho sikomisa ngamathi lana. Ake sihambe nje silayele ingoma sikhumbule bana ukuthi before sibuye la ebreaking sithole lapha yana uvendout lapha yana at Get It kwalanda lapha uKasi Flavor featuring uThuki bithi ebusuku lapha yena lo bedlala isikhathi sibuya nje sibuyela sibuyela kuwena nomlaleli. Asingana umlaleli sikhuluma kakhulu, ake sithole ingoma lapha mlaleli nje ukwehlisa amathe mhlambe kwazi ba ukuthi ukusukuma nawe uqale ujive nomndeni wakho on a Saturday morning. Well, mlaleli njengoba bengishilo kuwena ukuthi lapha yana ungathola phana ku social media futhi again sikhona phana ku Facebook lapha yana production page, like the page lapha yana, and then follow ish lapha ubone ama video ethu siwenzayo. Kanti nami ngikhona phana ku social media, you can go ku Twitter uthi nje NTTSA uzongithola lapha. Ake sihambe phana manje siyothola ingoma phana akashona, and we'll be back after this.
Oza 46 Shona party usi tlumpalo jola nefantane somnyama usimusat bakwenzela iskandale. Shona party Rasta flow. Shona party party, shona party. Kodekele nezindebeni, wasa 46. Touch the floor.
Hayi yafika baba.
Kodekele mazebeni. Apha mastay queen. Sukuma mastay queen. Usne itakteli ebusuku kuza amacocktail. Phela thina sama askara kusiqhuma shone phansi. Muntu akudwe beshiya emthekele. Owamufa kupha msotho ufake shele. Konini yasizilo. Ngani boke cappy boke chini boke padu. Ngani pussy side pussy vodka pussy whiskey. Was a 46. Shona party, shona party, shona party, shona party. Uzi kampani, shona nefadane. Shona musimu sepa, zeli skandale. Shona party, shona party, shona party. Touch the floor. Shona party, uzi kampani, shona nefadane. Shona musimu sepa, zeli skandale. Kodekele nezindebeni, wasa 46. Touch the floor.
Well, that was the sound of Lady Zamalpana hit song yakhe laphana ebizwa ngokuthi Collide yo lengoma lena yake yenza izinto ezibuka eSouth Africa. Now this was one of her greatest hits. Our producer before Lady Zamalpana sithole umfana wakhona la around la nje lokushini lana usomnyama phana ethi nje Shona Phansi. Guys, if a producer or anyone and nduzwa usomnyama, guys, take a listen of usomnyama, or you know anyone nje we lokhuza kwi platform entertainment, take a listen to Somnyama. In my opinion, this guy is the future of iqomo in South Africa. Well, it's called manje 27 minutes past 8 lapana, 3 minutes to 8:30 to kumbo tuzofika pana Oscar Nanda wakashezi lapana kulethele amanqampunqampu bese kuthi ngo 9 o'clock abuye sekuphathele indaba eziphelele. Guys, we've been having such a fantastic show for now, up until now. Lapana siyabonga kupha ku social media lapana. Thank you so much lapana sithi masiba live ku social media. Your response esithola lapana is absolutely amazing and iyajabulisa. Siyabonga good guys for supporting. Keep on supporting and spreading the word. The extension point is here, and kula ama online radio. Hey guys, we are coming for you. Slowly but surely. So tinasfikile lasifuna ukuya khona. Of course, so figure guys, get through your support, through your love, through you guys sharing the word around your social media, liking our videos and posting them. You can go lapana ku YouTube right now lapana uthi nje extension point FM uzoyibona lapana ilogo yethu extension point FM. It's got blue and black colors lapana uzoyibona. Like subscribe ku page ku channel it lapana, and you get to see wonke ama video, even behind the scenes videos lapana skhathi idlalingom. You get to see the craziness that takes place lana is studio. Guys, asinga nokho sikhuluma kakhulu. Well, it's 1 minute to 8:30 manjena. Uskananda uzongena namanqampunqampu laphana bamanqampunqampu, so qhubeka neshow. Kodwa before uskananda angena ake sithi nje ukuthola okumculo nje kancanyana, and then uskananda uzongena namanqampunqampu.
The new online radio that makes you happy.
Hey, what up? This is Naughty the Freak, and you are listening to Extension Point. All the way from the Black Stone.
Your online radio. Your online radio. The new online radio that makes you happy.
Hey, what up? This is Naughty the Freak, and you are listening to Extension Point. All the way from the Black Stone, man.
Selvelela kamanci hora lesishagalombili ekuseni. Sawubona mlaleli, amanqampunqampu awugamanxa kwehora lesishagalombili nakuthi ibigcwele iphama inkantolo eThekwini ngesikhathi imfundo mpungo sethu lufakaze ecaleni lokubulawa kukaZulile Khumalo. Kanti umbalula uthi izilamani zakwagupta zazimnyundela zisebenzisa amandla azo kanye nephephandaba labo iSunday World. Ilezi kanye nezinye ngizobe ngiyiphethe ngelesishagalolunye okwamanje. Qhubeka uhlale nathi emsakazweni wakho hamba phambili Extension Point FM.
Zakho Ntokozo umagatsheni ubuya benyathi on breakfast show on Extension Point FM City Live and beyond.
She She got looks that tell the truth when she lies. She said she's all your dreams are made of, and everything you'll never understand. And since you lost, you can step inside and stay. Stay a while. Stay a while. Stay a while, yeah.
Impendulo zombuzo ngiyokuthathaphi. Iyahamba iminyaka wakhula umntwana mama uphu baba. Mntanami mina ngabekezela kepha ngizuzanga lutho. Angithi ngingowesifazane ngokwendalo ngibuthake ekulaleleni ngakho ngazithola sengitshelwe inkohliso ngenhloso yokugqiba iqiniso ze kufezwe inhloso zenkanuko. Mntanami eqinisweni izimpendulo zombuzo kanginazo. Hleze mungathola yena ngakunika incazelo ecacile. Nginobaba kodwa ubaba nginaye. Ngifisa ukukuyetha igama indoda cha ngabe ngithuka amadoda. Wesilisa cha ngabe ngibehlisa isithunzi. Baba cha ngabe ngidicelela phansi imisebenzi yobaba. Ongenanembeza yebo likufanele. Nginobaba kodwa ubaba nginaye. Ngiyimbewu etshalwe esibelethweni sikamama yaqede yangahlakulelwa. Esefikile ongenanembeza washiya kwasala kwamila nokhula. Kodwa noma kunjalo uyeza umhla uphela. Sekuvuna okutshalile uyokuthokozela ukuvuna isithelo sakhe esiyimi. Lesithelo ongasinakekelanga wasihlakulela ze sikhule kahle ngendlela yokuba ngeyakho. Nginobaba kodwa ubaba nginaye. Angifune siliva nagolide kodwa uthando lukababa. Kodwa amathemba kawekho. Bengiyini ukuze ngilahliswe kukaDoda esikhotheni. Bengifuna ukuvikelwa nguwe ze izinto zomhlaba zingangigqibi. Mangilahlekile ngizokhalela kubani ngingumlahlwa nje. Nginobaba kodwa ubaba nginaye. Mama ngivulela inhliziyo ungithanda unginakekele. Ngizokuba ikusasa nethemba lakho. Ngizothatha isifundo kongenanembeza ze ngingafani naye. Ngizakuba indoda eqotho yoyiqhenya ngayo. Uma ngiba nabantwana ngiyobathanda ngibanakekele ngibe ubaba kubo. Ngingabe ihlazo lomthundi. Nginobaba kodwa ubaba nginaye. Umzukulu wenyoka ehlazo iphethile.
Well, we are back. Lana we extension point. Mlaleli, thank you so much for ama likes and comment and ama views. Also on social media. See, we much appreciate your support and love that you guys are showing us this morning, man. Not only this morning, but the love and support that you've been showing us throughout since in the Sikale this community radio yala Mnyama. Well, it's Japana Sitole la Payana u Jason K. 18 Mazuru Nenkondla Panos Kisa Etola. Wow, what a powerful poet, man. He talented corner lana enganini zindlu emnyama la ngaphandle. Well, guys, sikhumbule ukuthi this is Saturday namhlanje, and that means abantu abaningi gonna be going out, going to enjoy themselves and having fun. Remember, enjoy impilo yakho, but enjoy with responsibility. Ukhumbule ukuthi ukujabula kwakho does not mean ukuthi fanele ukuhlukumeze omunye umuntu. Well, it's kanjani manje 3 minutes to 10 to 9. Ukhumbule ukuthi ngo-9 ke ngibeka phansi uhlelo le breakfast show yakho la the extension lana kwi extension point lana sibeka phansi, but akusho ukuthi fanele ushiye ungabasabalala abanye ozwangithi. Khumbula ukuthi ngo9 o'clock khona nothi the freak beno olona bethi nje na vuka uzibheke bese kuthi ngo10:30 kuya ku12 lapha ukhona uSintokazi lapha behamba naye uNkosikhona lapha bethi nje sigijima ngenqina bese kuthi from 12 o'clock kuya lapha ukhona lapha uteammate lapha with the major show lapha bese kuthi from 30:30 bese kuthi from 3 o'clock kuze kusha u6 ukhona lapha uLucky D bethi nje WFT food for thoughts lapha. Don't forget to ubalalele bonke ozwa bethi and spread the love and spread the message. Like our videos the Payana, share our videos. After sharing the videos and spread the word, man. Uchela bantu with la Payana, we are here and we are here to stay. And we extension point. Well, guys, we've been enjoying such a nice show so far. Sadly, uti show says na sama pituni koto pela ayakapeli owa manje saphuma lana siyapuma ngo9 lana ngiyabona phana ukuthi na unoza wethu landela lapha ngo9 sibuyaqala bayafika, so get ready ukuba uqhubeke ulalele some very nice interesting show. I'm sure bazobe kuphathele i-topic emu nandi namhlanje that would get your mind thinking and ukwazi ukubona izinto in a different manner. Guys, Remember, itopic esibhekile namhlanje kube it's about the impact of load shedding stage 4 lana South Africa in terms of business, in terms of the economy, in terms of the way of living lana ukuthi sibuye singena ugesi. Have your say lapha ku social media, leave your comment and tell us what you think on the topic esibhekile namhlanje laphayana, and let us know what you think ukuthi wena ucabangani in terms of load shedding. Well, lalela akasinje ukudedela ngengoma laphayana okwamanje laphana uBungo raps laphana it's a bumper featuring Bungo raps, sorry about that, it's in the bumper, and we'll be back after this since it's a Repapa issues.
Yeah. How you really go? Why the one puffin' past the blind, hating always stand what the F. I'm all about money, I fight for my honey. I'm a beat when I sting, standing to living the planet. I'm alive, I'm hating the gun. Sitting got the gun, why you hating? I'm proud of gun. What's up, acting funny one day, go be learning. I'm shocked, you've been got me, it's me versus Nami, man, be fine. I'm in your son, in the money, I work for the money, ain't no man, I'm spanning, go donkey, these niggas are donkeys, I'm chilling, you spookies, I'm a ghost, I'm firing and she's a no man got this, I'm a feast, I'm a Mikey, you whiz, I'm sousing and whiz, you should feast and I'm sousing, I lose and I'm sousing, I boost, I mean, I'm new, so I got yoga, elevating, I tell a kupuga. Pamper side to side, haters please can you move aside? Tinas for no cash, yes a cheshire kayak mailing patient. Pamper side to side, haters please can you move aside? Tinas for no cash, yes a cheshire kayak mailing patient. Pamper side to side, hey, pamper side to side, hey. And it's a pamper side to side, haters please can you move aside? Tinas for no cash, yes a cheshire kayak mailing patient. Pamper side to side, haters please can you move aside? Tinas for no cash, yes a cheshire kayak mailing patient. Pamper side to side, hey, pamper side to side, hey. And it's a pamper side to side, yeah. Yes, ngiyahlekisa yola kids angisiyinkulisa hlehla kumina mlisa mungazazi. I've been with izazi intuzo ma umlazi tshela imnyama singeshare le nyama singayirida le hama siphethe umama. I know nithi haba kuyasiza nokuphupha, leave your dream, bumper ain't no theme. I'm being for good dose, trying to fight me kasela ngondosi bheka ibhungu likhahlela kwa house. I ain't but no force ngihamba ngihleli ungafungu amos. I cry for your losses, I'm tighten the laces ngiyahamba. I ain't got a boss, I work for this moss. I'm a wolf and I fight with them claws. Ngiyayikwepa kwalo, mina umthetho ngawushaya ngalo. I'm a fighter alone, ngayiphuли ngalo. When I know, ungangifesa nje no, ungafesa nje more. Lento yethi and I'm chasing you more. Yeah, and I'm chasing you more. And then I'm chasing you more. Oh yeah, bumper.
Ithi ngiyazama zakutinezela ngeke size Nkosi yami bo. Lokhu izithazama zifuna imphumelelo size Nkosi yami bo. Ithi ngiyazama zakutinezela ngeke size Nkosi yami bo. 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 Because of man uphendulele mthandazo yami awusisala abantu basisendleleni yami bo uloya kuwe kukenedo size Nkosi yami bo dala bengifuna bengifela umoya size Nkosi yami bo funa impumelelo yami ngeke bayilunge wena Jehova ungakimi angeke balunge bo kuwa nesicelo nesiphetho sifuna ngiphumelele siza Nkosi yami bo Ngithi ngiyazama Ntethelelo ngeke siza Nkosi yami bo Zonke izitha zami sifuna ngiphumelele siza Nkosi yami bo Ngithi ngiyazama Ntethelelo ngeke siza Nkosi yami bo 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 Mama, please pray for me. Zingikhathele laba day after me. Khulekela ukuthi ngiphumelele ngalomculo wami ngikhophele. Ngithanda inkosi zingibhekelela. I will keep my head high kuzenzekele. Ngeke kuhlale kunjena. Mina ngiyaphandela nje. I pray every day. I say don't play ngale way. Hello way. Churching every day. God have a way. Hey, God have the way. Mina ngiyazibuza why this isn't paid. Qinisa liko, I'm here gonna stay. Khohlela bosley, I'm here to be paid. God made hate angikho afraid. Kukhangedo lo ngqinisa ukolo. Nyuka nalo ngibuka ngumukholo. Bathi ngeke ngilunge bayisholo. Petty picking, petty for sure. I'm digging the gold nje ngifuna iholo. Helele. Zonke izitha zami sifuna ngiphumelele siza Nkosi yami bo. Ngithi ngiyazama Ntethelelo ngeke siza Nkosi yami bo. Zonke izitha zami sifuna ngiphumelele siza Nkosi yami bo. Ngithi ngiyazama Ntethelelo ngeke siza Nkosi yami bo. 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 Siza Nkosi yami bo.
Well, sis, Buyile Mlalili Lana with the Goovy Breakfast Show. It's cut months in your 5 minutes to 9 o'clock, 8:55 Lapana. Well, it has come to the third time of the morning where I have to say goodbye to you. But fear not, because Angikushinje word it does not mean Uguti say lap. Well, no to the freak is currently now waiting Uguti Agutat Lapana from 9 o'clock who's a try or 10:30 and we extension point FM Lapana bit in your voix Uzi Peg Lapana here. They're going to be having some very interesting guests. Stay tuned. Lana extension point because ulalele wena ulinde from other shows as well. Not my go 10:30. Uyangena laphayana unkosi khona bathi nje skitchen mangenqina laphana kumaskandi. So if nje uyibhinqa and oh proud ngosiko lakho nangomasina uthanda futhi umculo maskandi khumbula banga 10:30 ukuhlala laphana ulalele umaskandi. Understand bazoba bene top 10 laphana yamaskandi and emva lokho bese kuthi from 12 o'clock kuze kuyoshaya u3 ukhola nje laphana umajor laphana ngisho the team mate laphana ukhona laphana I top 10 futhi. That I think you've been voting for lapana with social media and uzobedlala lozo ingoma ke lapho ke you can hear your songs lapayana uzwe and have fun while you still tuned in and we extension point FM bese kuthi nje from 3 o'clock kuze kusha u6 lapayana ukhona uLucky D lapayana noza wethu abanye bethi ni double FT food for thoughts kusukela ngo 3 o'clock kuze kuyoshaya u9 kuze kusha u6 laphayana ntambama laphayana mlaleli sithi nje stay tuned lana with the Goovy Breakfast Show. Siyabonga, thank you so much for your comments. Siyabonga for engagement yakho othe wabanayo lana kusukela nje ekseni ngo 6:30 kuze kube imanje nje. Thank you so much for that. Continue supporting us and continue showing us love nothando laphana ungakhohlwa ukuthi laphana ngapha ku Facebook laphayana and like and like our page lapayana ku social media. Go to Facebook to TE Production, that's TEE Production. Like you page lapayana, share our videos, like our videos lapayana, and also join us live noma uya lapayana ku Twitter lapayana ngikhona pa Twitter uthi nje NTTSA uzosthola lapho bese like my page and you'll see some crazy behind the scene videos that we had nana namhlanje lana station. And go to YouTube lapayana, go to extension point FM go YouTube, subscribe on our channel lapayana, and you will see us live lapayana, myself Nezinye Nhlelo and everyone else okhona lana ku extension point. Well mlaleli anginga nokukhuluma ku isikhathi manje 2 minutes to 8 o'clock. That means sekuzoba isikhathi sizindaba noSigananda wakashes. On behalf of myself and everyone with the breakfast team, I'd like to say thank you so much much for tuning in. Kusukela ngo6:30 kuze kuba imandi. Well, continue supporting us and continue showing us love. On behalf of myself, Ntethelelo, and everyone, the breakfast team, sinjenisadle kahle.
Your online radio, the new online radio that makes you happy.
Hey, yo, what up? This is Naughty the Freak, and you are listening to Attention Point. All the way from the Black Stone, man.